die, you're gonna die. Die, you're gonna die.
That's horrible.
Die, you're gonna die.
Go.
Action.
Yeah.
I'm kicking that. You're gonna kick him. Hey, Charles!
What?
Up, and then Jay will walk and he'll go like this and like start eating his neck.
And then while Bride does that, he'll shove the nail right into my neck.
And he's got the nail on his head, so it looks like he's on everything.
Yeah.
It's like,
You're an idiot.
oh, what was doing now?
What was you?
I'm up. No, he's just.
No, wait, yo, dude. Okay. So, like, I need to do anything.
No, I want to walk with you.
Get him out of there. Benjamin will take that.
He's got a staple in his hand. Look at him. Oh man. Just get him in the shot.
I got him.
You got it?
Yeah.
Move your head. Like those with anything.
Got it?
Yeah.
Pause it.
No, yes. Ah! Wait, I can lay on the ground and make him fall right to me. Like, you let him go and let him drop right on him.
Good shot, Jesse. Look at him. Come over here.
Yeah. Where?
Jesse, pull him.
Wait.
You should make sure that it...
Go ahead, go whenever you're ready.
Yes, he's a poser.
Quick.
Alright, so we're gonna do that again.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good.
We're gonna turn him around, we're gonna throw him back down. No, you should put him on the top and then someone kick him.
Yep. Okay.
And then now Jay's gonna kick him back.
Go ahead, go.
Say, hey Charles.
You want me to do that again? Charles!
Put him down. Go, Jay.
Hey Chuck! Oh, that was... Tell me when.
Go.
Alright, now pause it.
Good.
Oh, you're gonna give it? Alright, that's good. Now get... It's coming around again.
Dude, see, she was supposed to get the,
Jen, did you take out the garbage yet? Jen! Jen, is this a joke? No!
Go.
No! Ah! Ah! Alright.
Go. Yeah, go. Go.
No! Oh! Oh.
SP mode. See if this ever clearer than the other mode. Now we're gonna tape in simple and play. How's that one? The quality decrease? Let's see.
Sounds scary.
She is, but I don't want to get up and get her. I want to go here.
Hello? Jeez, I was just searching for the phone to call you. Are you filming?
Yeah. Please grab that
He
phone.
likes demolishing things. Next, he'll demolish you.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to get my camera?
Yeah.
No, I have to fucking go home now.
Yeah.
We fucking came to your house, you fucking piece of shit. And I brought my camera.
Forget it. Psychomaniac. Ooh.
Alright.
Look at his ass. Like me.
Alright. Well, should we do
Whoa.
a scene where we're all sitting around?
Don't matter.
Let's do it.
I have to go now.
That's why we got back fader though, it's the best. The back fader is really good. Alright. Someone's dying tonight. Either Jay or Jay just took a shower, doesn't want to get dirty. Well, you're not gonna really get dirty. Look on, guys.
Zero.
Yay!
What do you think of it?
Yay!
PlayStation Zero. Get it while it lasts.
Oh shit. Hey, this is Mike Smith and I'm here with Jay Olsen and Jay Merritt. Jay Merritt is playing the shittiest game alive, PlayStation Zero. What do you have to say about it?
Yay!
Yay! And he's talking to XX Buttercup and his hair looks like shit. We have to say. He says, JJ Jackass! Yeah. Hello, my name is Brian Benkin and I'm here with Jason Merritt. And this is Evening Storytelling. Jason, please tell us your evening story. I'm sorry.
Well, my story begins with this asshole named Jay. Yes, look at his crappy hair. Look at that. Look at it. Look at how it sticks up. Look at that crap. What is that? Ah! I don't even know if I can finish anymore. He just sickens me. I'm out of here. Stop following me.
Join us next week when we talk about John Olsen and he's so retarded. Ha ha ha!
He's pretty fucking nasty.
Thank you. You can pull that. You can do the top.
Shut up, Jay. It's taking already.
What should we do?
Damn, Mike.
Whoa, that
Really
was
good.
some heavy lift.
You know, I am taping right now.
Alright, listen.
Oh.
We are
Oh, recording.
Yeah, man. So I was walking down the street. I saw this guy. He was like, "Whoa, yeah." I was like, "Dude, do you know who I am? I'm fucking bloody bastard Ozzy Osbourne. Hey, nice to meet you. Fucking fuck. Yes." And then this other lady's like, "Please watch your language." I was like, "Oh my god." And I was like, "Yo, you bitch, I'll stick my guitar up your ass." Yeah, now join us next week when we're talking with Garth Brooks. Dude, Garth Brooks, he's a homosexual. Get him off this set, okay? Join us next week with Metallica. Yeah, rock on! What is this? What is this?
These are Dave's pants.
20th anniversary.
Action.
I started laughing.
Go back, Jack. Action. Action. Hey, action. Jackass.
What, are you jumping through the window?
2, 1, go. Action. Action. Hey, Johnny boy, what you looking at?
I'll do it. Yeah.
Ah! That's too bright to do it. You need to put it like this. Yeah, like right.
We're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, roll the cord back up.
Muy bien. Muy bien. Wait, do you know what you're doing?
I'm gonna go backwards. Alright, so yeah, dude, when you spit out, the toothpaste and everything, I'm gonna come out.
Alright.
Alright, tell me one. Tell me one, dude.
I can't even brush my teeth when I'm stop laughing.
Alright,
Look.
so dumb. Tell me
You
one.
have the dental floss?
I'm not gonna use dental floss, I'm just gonna choke it.
Oh, I use dental floss.
People want to use dental floss.
Ooh, that smells like ass. God.
Dental floss is really dumb for it.
Well, here we go.
Away to my food.
I'm actually choking. What? I'm actually choking.
Oh, this is just freaking floss. I don't think it's gonna choke it.
Oh, this, Mike, you have to lay on your face. Like, you don't lay on the ground, and Jay, you get behind him like this and go, but don't say anything.
Well, how did I just choke him?
Yeah. No, but choke him
This
down
might
on the
take a couple
ground.
tries, so let's get it
Yeah.
on. Alright, Jay.
You ready? Tell me one.
Go. I tried to struggle, well.
You want to throw up.
Oh, damn. Is that it?
The line.
Aw. Poor guy.
Probably went, yo.
Actually, halfway through it, I started like losing. I know, I felt it. Yeah, my hand slipped off the line, so I just started.
I didn't even get you choking him. I got you right here, and then he fell down, and I got his feet, and then I got over there, where it was here.
Let's
I
see.
got most of it.
Let's hope that got it.
It's not gonna work. Alright, go. What'd you do?
Yeah, it's been a while ago. Do you smell anything in here?
But we can't.
There's this movie called Boogeyman. It has all the greatest clips, all the scariest ones.
Yeah, I know. I want to get that.
Me too. I can't find it anywhere though. It's not a Best Buy.
You got sold in stores.
Yeah, but that was good. Actually, you know, I've never seen the Chainsaw Massacre. So Jason Merritt was driving down the street on a bike. Then one day he hit the ramp, and then he turned into a dyke. A dyke. One day he was walking to the bus stop when he had his Metallica all the way up, and then he got blasted by a car. I think they were shooting up. Yes, they were. Pantera. Do you really think I give a beep, beep, beep? But I don't, because that would be Jason Merritt, who was jumping down a mountain yesterday. That's why we call him homosexual, and for short we call him gay. Jay is very gay. Every single day he's very gay. We wouldn't be here.
Or maybe some hot girl would be living here and we would be here. Or I would.
Well, what the hell am I paying for? She doesn't want this. So you raise me up.
Ooh.
Damn. Leave me alone.
Right, yeah, right.
No! Oh! Again! What happened?
Psycho. Joe. Ooh.
Wait.
What the hell are you doing? Psycho maniac. Mom.
Danielle? Michael.
Go. One.
Hi, this is
You're done.
I will not.
Hi, this is Dana, and you're watching Selden Massacre. Do it.
Take 15, Dana.
That was good. That was good.
Wait!
job. Go. Be able to open up my hand. This is recording now. Alright, great. Are you gonna open up that door?
Yeah, I'm
Open
opening
up.
this up. And I'm gonna go.
You gonna open up
No.
that
And
door?
I'm gonna be banging on him, trying to get in.
How far away am I gonna be when you're trying to do that? I'm gonna be walking up to you.
Yeah. Then you're gonna go like this. Like this. I'm saying you're gonna do.
Kill the bitch.
I'll take your soul. Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, I want that.
I'm out, man.
Like, I'll bring my hand up.
This
That's
is
stop.
Selden Massacre.
Alright, let's go.
This is recording. Come on, do it.
Am I just gonna walk towards you?
This is the dream.
Brian, keep it steady. Am I walking towards you up and down?
Ready? I'm gonna be running. Ready, Ron? Put your light on. Ready? Ready? Come on. Get away! No, last. Ready?
Yeah. Wait. Back out.
Get away! Get away! Get away! No! Get away! How's that?
Terrible.
Terrible? What do you mean?
Recording once again.
Oh yeah, nice almost trip over here. I love you.
I don't know why I get close to him. Get close to him. Ready? Get away! Get the hell away from me! Get out of here! What happened? Pulled the doorknob off. Oh my god! Seriously pulled it off? Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man.
Mighty Mouse!
Hold it off.
Yeah, guys, we really pulled off the skit. Pulled a little more off than that. Alright, come on.
Routine for it.
Get out of bed again.
Come on. Go.
Never get out of bed again. Rachel. Mary, you never get out of bed again.
Damn this thing! You! Gonna get your head bashed in. Shut the window, Elizabeth.
Why?
Shut it, because Dad's gonna hear it. He's trying to talk on the phone.
Dad's gonna hear it from downstairs. I really don't.
Shut the window.
Don't. No, it's fine.
Tell the bitch! Scared! Hey, Freddy Krueger! Fred Krueger, Mom! Fred Krueger! Help! Help! Help!
You're gonna see all the little eyes peeking in.
Get away! Get away! No! Get up! Get away! No! That sucks, Jay. What the hell are you talking about? Enthusiasm, you're like... I'm trying not to hate him.
Yeah, just stand right there.
Oh yeah, you should kind of move around a little bit while I'm still asleep.
He's taking over my soul!
Wait, tell me what to tape.
Wait, how do I sleep like this?
No. You're gonna have to be on your back. This way you can jump up.
Like, no!
Yeah, exactly.
Are you ready?
All right, tell me one. Why is it over your mouth? Tell me one.
No, this is how I sleep.
Tell me one.
Tape.
No!
Stop screaming.
That's what I say!
Alright, do it again.
Yeah, dude.
Dad! Dad!
Phil!
I fall! Oh! There's a light on, dude.
I got one thing of battery now. All right. Tell me one. Shh.
Now I'm doing a scene, Dad, so...
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Damn you! Stop! Alright, ready?
Go.
Taping?
No!
Is that good?
Number party.
Is that good or what?
Yeah. Fine, go.
Yeah, I tape every single second of my life, man.
She shoots, she misses.
203. Mike's sitting there now.
Your mother saw that.
So what is it, like everybody else is too lazy to get the goddamn door?
Hey, Jason, watch your mouth.
Fuck you. Going too.
You had to be a big shot.
This is the killer. Wow. That's sad.
What?
You're the killer.
Yeah.
And you're on a scooter with a monkey.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I'll just roll over and start running away from the killer. Because I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
Don't even. Oh, I'm afraid of the camera.
You had to fall last night?
It's going down.
No! No!
Killed her.
Killed her.
He goes on the
I don't
killer.
know, I got
I
really,
said
really
kill
bored
her.
today, so I got dressed up.
Look decent.
Usually when I'm bored, I know.
I don't know, I'm a
Jerk
girl.
off.
Nah, not really.
Don't
Why do you have a camera?
I'm making Selden Massacre. What do you think? Hey, did you hear the Olsons opened up their pool?
Hold on, guys, I'm sorry.
That was a funny joke, David.
Oh yes! I'm even laughing, sorry.
Hey Dana, did you hear that the Olsen's opened up? Hey Dana, did you hear that the Olsen's pool's open? God, stop laughing. Dana, did you hear that the Olsen's pool's open?
What is my response to that? I don't really...
Hey Dana, did you hear that Olsen's opened their pool?
You said a party, but we definitely should not invite that crazy kid.
What's his name again?
Jay?
Oh yeah, that kid's crazy. Word up.
Alright, hold on. Alright, stop cameras. You remember the time we were walking down the street and we saw that kid Jay?
Yeah, that was insane. He had a knife. That kid is crazy.
I know, right? And he always hangs out in the stump by himself. Like,
Yeah.
who does that?
I know. It's sick. It's like, and his hair, oh my god, that's just, I can't even keep a straight face because he is just so greasy.
Ew, I know.
But-
Oh my god, do you remember that one time? Ew, it's not even, I don't even know what I'm talking about because it's just disgusting.
He's just so nasty. Good. Good job. Alright, well, that's just really sick, that kid. But, yeah, so the Olsens, they're having this pool party, and they got this heater, so it's going to be really nice and warm and everything. And everyone's going, but definitely not invite that kid Jay.
I know.
Sick.
Do you think he'll just invite himself?
If he does, we gotta kick him out. There's nowhere else to go.
How scary would that be though? Like that, I swear, that kid, like the
Just
devil.
everyone would be like, fucking out, get out of here. But, I was walking down the block, right? And I hear these noises and, like, freaking radio blasting, people screaming in his house. It's sick. They don't even, oh my god. They don't take care of their home. Shitty cars. I think I heard your doorbell ring. Wonder who it is.
That would be like my doorbell?
Did you hear that?
What?
I think your doorbell rang. Oh, I think someone. Whoa! Danny, I think your doorbell just rang. Alright, we do. Danny, your doorbell just rang.
I'm kidding.
Oh my god. Well, Danny, your doorbell just rang. What's that noise?
Dude, what?
You hear that?
What?
I think someone rang the doorbell. Dana, I think the doorbell just rang.
Oh, do you?
Yes, I did. I really. Dana, what's that noise?
The doorbell?
Oh, alright, I think we should get it. Dana, I heard a noise.
What was it?
Maybe it was your doorbell?
Let's go investigate.
Alright, let's go. God, this movie really...
Yeah.
Let's get the door then.
What are those today? Everyone's gone.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Nothing. Just in the neighborhood now.
Yeah.
Felt like coming around, seeing what's going on.
Where's everyone else?
They're dead.
That's a good joke.
I wonder who...
Wonder who?
Brian, take 25.
I wonder who it could be.
I don't know. Oh my god.
Hi, can I help you?
What's up?
Nothing. You ride the scooter?
Yeah, we should make fun of the scooter.
Let's do it.
No, Brian's on that ride.
I'm like, nice scooter.
Yeah.
No,
being.
don't leave that. No, turn.
Take 26, Dana and Brian.
Wonder who it could be.
I don't know.
Everyone's out of town, so doesn't need a lot of people.
Oh my god. Look at this kid.
Hi.
Hey,
Nice scooter.
thanks. You
like that monkey?
Oh yeah. Do you,
I'm always riding that thing.
yeah?
Yeah.
What happened to take 28?
What's that?
Oh, you're looking
I'm an
What
idiot.
did we say? Like, do we invite him in? I'm like,
Take 27, Brian and Dana.
I wonder who it could be.
I don't know.
Can't see many people. They're all on hand.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Look who it is. Hi.
Hey,
Can we help you?
I don't know. Can you?
What do you want, man?
Ooh, there's an airplane.
What do you want, man? What?
Why
What
don't
is
you
wrong?
just, even though I say something stupid, just let
What
it
does he
go.
want?
Maybe I'm playing like a dumb
Yeah,
blonde bitch.
Yeah, you never know. You never know.
No, no, you know.
Mm-hmm. Cool. Here.
Take 28, Dana and Brian.
I wonder who it could be.
I don't know. Where is he? Oh my god.
Sure. Just make yourself comfortable. That's super too.
Thanks.
What do you want, man?
Came to see what everybody's doing.
Everyone's out.
Yeah, no one's really around, and me and Bri are doing a science project.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, that's cool.
Yeah,
Stroking his cock.
yeah.
Look at his monkey. God. Dude, what is that? What is that thing you're riding, man?
It's a scooter, man.
Haven't you upgraded to cars?
Sorry, man. I'm
Dude.
not that cool.
Look at his hair.
Look
God.
at that.
No.
It was
Dude,
greasy.
We
What
don't
are you
want anything
wearing?
to do with you. Get out. Take your fucking monkey scooter and get out of here.
Alright, man.
I really don't suggest you come back.
Leave. Nobody wants you here. Yeah.
I cannot believe that guy
That
showed
guy
up
is
here.
sick. Alright, let's go work on that science project.
Yeah.
What should we do? Throw him on that phone. Wonder who it is.
Maybe it's that kid.
Doubt it.
Hello? Hello? Listen to this.
What the? That's sick. That's sick.
Hello?
Hang on.
No, we're gonna have the best idea.
Action. What the hell was that? What the?
You're like, oh my god. You're like,
Action.
yeah, nice.
Why is someone following us?
Like, hey, what is he doing?
Let's go.
Oh, his back is just bumping up and down.
Action.
Good.
Dude. Action.
Damn it.
Go.
Damn it.
Action.
My shoe! Go, go.
I could just say nothing and they could just keep running. Keep running! No, run the other way! Ah, production lights! This is the killer, named Jason Merritt. He's a jackass. Wham! Action!
Quick, let's get in the house.
Action.
I need to get my candle.
No, we can't go out there. That guy's crazy. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Action.
I need to go back and get my candle.
No, we can't go out there. That guy's crazy. What the hell is that? Don't answer it. Don't answer it.
He's
Don't.
fine. He's not going to hurt us if we're inside.
I don't think we should. God.
My shoe.
Candle. Shoe. Wait, what? Don't answer it. Don't answer
He
it.
can't hurt us if we're in the house.
Well, I still don't think we should answer it. Oh my God. What's doing here? We'll put it back. Quick, let's get in the house.
I can't believe someone put my shoe back there.
Oh man. Let's go in the living room.
Anyways, still a perfect fit.
Yeah, that's good.
I was really creepy in myself.
Yeah, that was scary. Oh, did you hear about that kid that got murdered on Maple?
Yesterday, that kid Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really sick.
You think it was that kid? Jay?
Maybe. That's creepy.
I don't know. I don't know how to start to play the S thing.
You have to say, oh, I think I'm going to go for a jog tonight.
Yeah.
Alright, okay. I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Alright.
I don't know.
Careful.
My ass is getting kind of I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really?
Yeah. Don't you think my ass is kind of getting flabby?
Nah, I think it's time.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Alright.
Yeah. We gotta cut. You can't just be like, alright. I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Why?
I don't know. I think my ass is kind of getting flabby.
Nah, it's fine.
Do you really think so?
You can jog if you want, but it doesn't matter. Let's go.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really?
Yeah. You have to say why, asshole.
Really? Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Stop. She's laughing. Hold on.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog.
Start tasting, Jay.
Really? Why?
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I think my ass is getting kind of flabby.
Oh, it's not that bad, but you can jog if you want. But you should really watch out for the killer.
I know.
That's-
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I think my ass is getting kind of flabby.
Oh, a little bit.
I don't know. I'm gonna go, tighten it up a little.
Yeah, but you should really watch out for that crazy kid Jay.
Oh, thanks for caring, babe.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. My ass is getting kind of flabby.
A little bit.
I don't know. I'm gonna go tighten it up a little.
Oh, yeah, but you really should. Damn it.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I'm thinking my ass is getting kind of flabby.
Oh, a little.
So, I gotta keep it up for you.
Yeah, but that kid Jay, you gotta really watch out for him. He's crazy.
I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I just think my ass is kind of getting flabby.
A little.
Yeah, I gotta keep it up for you.
Yeah, but you should really be careful. That kid Jay, he's crazy.
I know. I really hope he's not out there, though.
Oh, that kid's weird.
I should be careful. I think I'm gonna go for a jog tonight.
Really? Why?
I don't know. I'm thinking my ass is getting a little flabby.
A little.
Yeah, I gotta keep it up for you.
Yeah. You should really watch out for that kid Jay, though. He's crazy.
I know. Thank you for saying.
Yeah, just be careful.